Welcome to Meds by Dr. K. The topic of today's video is headache. Headaches can feel like an unwelcome guest that just won't leave. Did you know there are over 150 types of headaches? Here are some common types of headaches, along with home treatments and over-the-counter (OTC) medications. Tension headaches, often caused by stress, poor posture, or muscle tension. Migraine, characterized by intense, throbbing pain, often accompanied by nausea and sensitivity to light or sound. Cluster headaches, severe headaches that occur in cyclical patterns or clusters. Sinus headaches, caused by sinus congestion and inflammation. Rebound headaches, result from overuse of headache medications. Common home treatments that will help in reducing headache. It includes, number 1, rest. Lying down in a quiet, dark room can help relieve migraines and tension headaches. Number 2, cold or warm compress. Applying a cold pack or warm cloth to the forehead or neck can ease pain. Number 3, hydration. Drinking water can help if dehydration is a trigger. Relaxation techniques. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can reduce stress and tension. Number 4, massage. Gently massaging the temples, neck, and shoulders can relieve tension. Number 5, essential oils. Some find relief with peppermint or lavender oil applied to the temples. Let's talk about the OTC medications that can be helpful. Number 1, acetaminophen, Tylenol, effective for mild to moderate headaches. Number 2, ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin, good for tension headaches and migraines. Number 3, aspirin, can help with pain relief but should be used cautiously in certain populations. Number 4, naproxen, Aleve, another option for managing headache pain. Number 5, combination medications. Some OTC products combine acetaminophen, aspirin, and caffeine for enhanced relief, e.g., Excedrin. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.